Here's how you can add a digital clock widget on your home screen with the date and time. This is for OnePlus phones with Oxygen OS 15. I'll show you where to go to find it. So these are all pre-installed. You don't have to install anything. And if you wanted to get this back, you probably accidentally removed it. Here's where you can go to find it. When you're ready to do this, go ahead and long press a blank area on your home screen like this here until these options show up. You're gonna see where it says widgets, tap on that one time, and the very first one to the top here, you're gonna see clock, and you can choose from the different options. You got about 5 to 7 of them in total, depending on your phone model. Once you've made your decision here, you can select it, and if you want the one you saw at the beginning of this video, go right here, and it's gonna appear like this right here, okay? So if you wanted to, you can come back and long press it and remove it and add another one. And if you just so happen to want something else better than this, you can also look for the Google Clock Widgets, which is found on the Play Store. This one right here, and of course, once you have it fully installed, you can go back to the home screen settings, go back into the widgets section and just go down until you see this right here. And you can choose from either of these and it will adjust depending to your phone, like and said.